see all the dirt, all the kachra. Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm in Bhivpuri. So Bhivpuri is actually famous for its waterfall, and from past 3 to 4 days it's not raining here. So let's see. So today we have decided to go to this small mountain, not even mountain, just a valley kind of thing, and then there's a dam. We have decided to visit these two places, and if we get some time we can visit the Bhivpuri Waterfall as well. So let's go. So this way goes through a village. It's a small village, and that's the small mountain we have to go. So the intro video I shooted was from that terrace, and we are moving forward. It hardly took 15 to 20 minutes, seriously. And from here a trail goes, which goes to a village up there, and I will show you the view. So this is the view. You can see buildings, small houses, and that's where we came from. And you can see cows grazing here. So after this we will get down and then probably visit that dam here. I guess it's crowded there. We can hear some noises. Okay, so now we are getting down. We waited for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we are going to the dam.
Let's go!
After that small valley, now we are heading towards the Bhivpuri dam. So this is the way, and then we have to go from here. After few steps only, we have reached this, we can say it's small lake. It's actually a dam, and this particular water is supplied to this village, and where Vikasa stays in that building. So it's a clean water, it's a drinkable water. Here is a filter, it gets filtered here, and then it goes to the building. You can see few people going, not few, there are many people going there. So that's the way to Bhivpuri Waterfall. And actually, as I said, it's not raining from past 4 to 5 days, so it's not worth to go there. So after having breakfast, we are now moving towards the Bhivpuri Waterfall, and you can see some of them are already going there. And as it's not raining from past few days, so the flow of waterfall is not that much, but we'll go and check it out. So the base village to this waterfall is Ashane, which you can come through a rickshaw from Bhivpuri railway station. And you can see a beautiful mountain range. That's the waterfall. It's Sunday, it has to be crowded. It's more of a picnic visit here. So that's the main waterfall, and then everyone is just sitting here and enjoying here. And you can see all the dirt, all the kachra. Nature is being destroyed by we humans. See how crowded it is. If not, there would be almost 1,000+ people here. I really can't express my feelings how bad it feels. These chaotic scenes of nature. Eating and dumping the garbage here only. This place was so neat and tidy when we visited few years back. People coming in such huge numbers as if it's a picnic day. It's too bad. So we are back at this base village Ashane, and now we'll be moving towards Mumbai. That's it from this Bhivpuri vlog. I will end this vlog here. Watching that all chaotic scenes, it's too bad. People drinking beers at this waterfalls. It's a nature's place. Respect nature. If you are one of them, stop doing this. Stop leaving a dump at the nature's place. Anyways, till then, goodbye. See you soon in a new vlog.